In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete all comments in Smartsheet. If you have ever shared a sheet and later needed to clean up the discussion or remove comment clutter, this method is a straightforward way to get your sheet back to a cleaner state. Before you begin, it is a good idea to double-check what you want to keep, because comments are tied to the sheet content. Taking the right steps ensures you can create a new version without the comments. To start, open the Smartsheet that contains the comments you want to remove. Look at the top area of the interface and find the File option next to your sheet name. This is where Smartsheet puts the saving and exporting actions. Click File next to your sheet name so the menu opens and you can access the save settings. Take a moment here to make sure you are clicking the correct file menu for the sheet you are working on. This will prevent you from saving changes to the wrong document. Next, you will create a copy using the option that helps you save a new version. In the File menu, choose Save as New. When you select Save as New, Smartsheet creates a fresh copy of your sheet rather than overwriting the original. This matters because it gives you a safer workflow. If you ever need to go back, you can return to the original sheet. So go ahead and click Save as New when you see it in the menu. Now that you have started the Save as New process, Smartsheet will show you the data options for what to include in the new copy. You will see a checkbox or option labeled Sheet Comments. This is the control that determines whether comments are carried over into the new sheet version. Uncheck Sheet Comments under the data options. As you do this, pay attention to ensure that only the comments are being removed and that other sheet content remains selected as needed. This step is the key part of the process because it tells Smartsheet to exclude comments from the new copy. After you uncheck Sheet Comments, you are ready to finish creating the updated sheet version. Before you click anything else, quickly review the settings on screen. You should have a new sheet save action in progress, and the Sheet Comments option should be turned off. This quick check helps you avoid accidentally keeping the comments you intended to remove. Finally, save your changes. In the Save as New screen, click Save. Smartsheet will process the request and generate the new sheet copy based on the options you selected. When the save is complete, open the new sheet version and confirm that the comments are no longer present. If you still see comments, then the Sheet Comments option may not have been unchecked, or you may still be viewing the original sheet instead of the new copy. But with the correct configuration, the new sheet should appear clean, with comments removed. By using Save as New with Sheet Comments unchecked, you can delete all comments from the working version you want, without affecting the original immediately. This makes the workflow both efficient and safer, especially if other people have access to the original sheet. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.